So I bought this jewelry box. It has 3 layers to it. 1, 2, and 3. You can see here. It's a really great way to store things, but unfortunately I often forget that I have stuff in there if I keep it closed. So I'm going to make a 2-tier jewelry display, and then I'm going to use this little piece for something else. Just so that I can see my jewelry and I'll always know it's there, and whatever I want, it's easy to grab. So all I'm going to use is 2 of these candlestick holders. Should be a really simple, easy DIY, and hopefully it stays up. I'm going to be using both hot glue gun as well as E6000. So as you can see here, I flipped it over, and I'm going to apply some E6000 since that takes longer to dry. I'll do that one first. I'm just going to put it around the edges mainly, you can see. Then I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to do the same thing around the edges. Now I'm going to eyeball it and try to get in the center of this piece as best as I can. Whoops, sorry. I think it's pretty centered. Next, I'm going to take my E6000 glue and I am going to apply it on each of these little edges. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the hot glue gun. But I think I'm only going to apply the hot glue on this one piece. Then I'm going to flip this over and just put it like so. It should be pretty centered because they are equal sizes, so I think I did it okay. That's what we have so far. Hopefully it's straight. I guess we'll find out. So next I'm actually going to take this candle top. It's like the top to a candle, and I'm gonna glue it onto here just to have a little bit more of a sturdy platform for this piece. So there you have it. I'm going to press this down, make sure it's good and dry. Then I'm going to take my E6000 glue and just swirl it around a little bit, and do the same with my hot glue gun. And then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put it on top. So there we have it. I really like the way that it came out. I'm going to let it dry for 24 hours. And I'm going to put my bracelets in here and some rings in here. All I'm going to use is this little candlestick holder. I'm going to place it in here and then put this one on top. Okay, that doesn't work out too well.